Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 5.7-inch display from a CCFL to our UB35 series LED kits. This kit comes one of the LED strips, drivers, and 6-pin red black wire harness connectors, pigtails. Okay, so let's take a look at the screen set aside LED kit. This screen is made by TCG057QV1AC-G10. So original lamp was mounted like this. It should be a U lamp. So we use a straight one, just mount on the bottom, the longer side. Should have enough brightness level. So let's take a look at the screen. See this? In order to separate the front and back, we had to remove this clip plastic pole, and then there's a couple clips here. 1, 2. You're gonna bend it. See, just basically just use the long nose, bend it out. Okay, this and same thing. All right, then loosen up the wires. After that, when you see this, there's a couple of the clips. So you stick it in. I have a, you can either use, just tilt up a little bit. There we go. Here we go. And then, oops, it pops right back. Okay, this end too. So I'm gonna do it like this. All right, this end too. Oops. All right, let's take it out. Oh, I forgot to take out this one first. So this one simply just plastic things. You just push it. Yeah, it comes out the other side. You see this? Take it out. All right, now we take it out. Here we go. So next thing, we have to unscrew this tool and then disconnect this. Well, let me take it out this first. It's the front metal frame. Oops. There we go. Okay. Okay, this end too. Okay. Now we took it out. Okay. So this is the LED screen. Next thing we need to first, this ribbon connector we need to take it out because we're going to separate the liquid glass and the front bezel in order to access the lamps. So this one is simple, easy. This one, you see this? Just tilt it up, see, and then take it out. This screw you need to remove it, but the board you can leave it here because the screw was screwed on other, see, the beige color, a gray color front plastic frames. All right, so here's the easy one. Tool, screw, remove it, and then you see there's a clip, huh? And also other side. So to separate the liquid glass is easy. There we go. See? And this just, okay, this side I have to do it like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, I want to just show you. Yeah, this is right. You see what I meant? These two screws. So this is two screws to this one. We set aside. Okay, well, there's still one film here. Okay, we set aside. Actually, this is one. Yeah, this one should be like this. Okay. Okay. Now you see the lamps, but we could set aside the film here, or just leave it here. It's fine. I just want to leave it here. This film. Maybe we take it out. Okay. There's 3, so this is in order. Okay. We just place it back. Okay. Now you can see this is U-shaped lamps. Okay. What I usually use, I use a blade because they have a little bit sticky here on the side. Even if you break it, that's fine. Just kind of slice in. Just see this? I need to have some paper to protect it. I don't want to touch it yet. See? slice it, or if you want to, you can just cut them off. That's fine. Okay. Okay, see, I took it out. You see the U-shaped wire? The wire come up the side, so what I would like to do is I mount like this, the wire come up the side. Okay, so basically we're gonna remove it here. Okay, here we go. Take it out. And then I'm gonna mount right back here. See this? Perfect. So basically I just want to peel it off. See? Peel off that side tip. And just stick to the back end. Yep. I'll show you after I finish. Okay. So make sure you stick to the plastic film. Just 1 second at a time. After you're done, you put it back like this. See? The wire come up from this side. And that's good. That's perfect. It's just like that, okay? Okay. Now we're gonna put put this thing in. I mean the diffusion sheet in. So this should be like this. This marking. Here we go. Perfect. Now we're gonna put it back the way it is. Let me see which section is it. Yeah, this is the way we're gonna put it in. But before I do that, I clean here. All right, let's just put it right back. So you put up this in first, and then kind of just push it back, snap it back. All right, it looks good. So this thing, just same thing like this. Just align it. Make sure this thing goes underneath this. See, like this. Okay. Okay. Now we could put the front cover back, right? Just like that. Step right back. And then put this one on. Put the two screws here. So, and then after put it back, I'm gonna fire up, see what we can see. So now I put everything back, and you know, this one wire can accept anywhere between 12 to 24 volts. At this point, I'm gonna apply 24 volt to it. And this end I already connect to one of the controller board. I'm gonna see here at night. And this one, because this screen has a start matrix display and has a 320 by 240 resolutions. So I'm using a 680 by 480, about half the resolution on this controller board. So let's connect the 24 volt to fire the display. Remember, we have one LED strip on the bottom, okay? So I'll apply a signal. Bingo. Nice and bright. See how simple it is? Just one LED strip on the bottom here. Now it's really bright. Thank you for watching.